Welcome to Ticketing Guru Prem, your go-to channel for all things airline ticketing, travel and tourism. If you want to learn how to book the cheapest flight tickets, you're in the right place. Stick till the end because I'll share some secret tricks that travel agents use. Flights can be expensive, but what if I told you there are hidden ways to book them for much less? Let's uncover the secrets together. Secret number 1, book at the right time. Did you know that the time and day you book your flight can affect the price? Best time to book: Tuesday and Wednesday. Airlines release discounted fares. Best time to fly: Tuesday, Wednesday, and Saturday. Less demand, lower prices. Worst days to fly: Friday and Sunday. High demand, guardians, higher fares. Secret number 2: use incognito mode. Have you noticed that flight prices suddenly go up when you check multiple times? That's because airline websites track your searches. Solution: always search in incognito mode or clear your browser cookies. Secret number 3: compare prices on multiple websites. Don't just rely on one website. Use flight comparison tools. Google Flights, Skyscanner, Kayak, Momondo. Check different websites before finalizing your booking. Secret number 4: consider budget airlines. Instead of big airlines, check budget carriers. AirAsia, Fly Dubai, Scoot, Indigo offer cheaper fares. Book directly from the airline's website to avoid extra fees. Secret number 5: use hidden city ticketing, but be careful. Airlines sometimes charge less for flights with a layover than a direct flight to the same destination. Example: if you want to fly to Dubai, a ticket from Kathmandu, Abu Dhabi, Dubai might be cheaper than a direct Kathmandu Dubai flight. Caution: don't check in luggage, it might go to the final destination. Airlines don't like this trick, use it wisely. Secret number 6: use airline miles and reward programs. Many airlines offer frequent flyer programs where you can earn free miles. Sign up for Qatar Airways Privilege Club, Emirates Skywards, or Turkish Miles and Smiles. Use credit cards that give air miles for purchases. You can use miles for discounts or even free tickets. Secret number 7: book tickets in a different currency. Sometimes booking a flight in a different currency can be cheaper. Example: if you're booking from Nepal, check if paying in Indian rupees or Malaysian ringgit makes it cheaper than in USD. Bonus tip: alerts and last minute deals. Sign up for price alerts on websites like Skyscanner and Google Flights. Sometimes last minute deals can be cheaper than early bookings, especially for low cost airlines. That's it, friends. Now you know the secret hacks to booking the cheapest flight tickets. Which trick will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more ticketing and travel hacks. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.